Maybe I'm too dramatic, but sometimes find myself thinking that my life is a movie, and I'm not even the lead actor. It's a dramedy slash slasher. Me and a bunch of other people running into sheds to escape the bloodshed. Part of me is joking, saying crazy shit because of the strong bud that I'm smoking. But don't worry anyway, soon I'll be croaking. I'm just an average bloke, person famous now but used to be broke. And I don't forget, though I do have many regrets, when you can't erase the past about happiness. I used to love and be full of sappiness, now mostly sadness and madness. I need a breakout song with thousands uploaded every day from people just like me, so I hustle but I get lost in the shuffle. Yo, one of the most competitive lines of work there is showbiz. Maybe I should just give up and throw in the fucking towel, because not going viral has me wearing a permanent scowl. I'm irritable just like bowels, but I think my time has come now, because I'm surviving in New York, and they say if you make it here, then you can make it anywhere. Well, soon I'll be famous as Broadway.